Well, hey world, this is What's Up 290, and in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to set a custom sound file as your text message or your tone or your ringtone on Android. So first things first, we're going to need the file, and what you're going to want to do is plug your Android into your computer via the USB and change it to file transfer mode in the settings. So change it on your phone to where it says internal shared storage under Pixel under your phone's name. Then what you're going to want to do is copy the ringtone file. Go to your phone's internal storage once you have it plugged in, and then go to ringtones, and then just copy, paste the file. On your phone, we can now set the audio file that we just copied to the internal storage as our ringtone or text tone. I'll show you how to do that. Just go to settings, search for ringtone, and then where it says ringtone, we just want to click on this, go to My Sounds, and there's the file we just copied over. Click save, and there you go. That's now your ringtone. To change the tone to get a text to the file we just put on, what you want to do is go to default notification sound. Go to My Sounds. And there's another custom file I copied over earlier. So that's about it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, leave a like, comment, subscribe. This is What's Up 290, and I'm signing off. Have a nice day, and I'll see you next video.